What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be making a leather apron for all my metalworking and stuff. Tired of getting tiny little burn holes through all my clothes. So this will be good for that, and woodworking, just being able to keep some tools on me while I'm doing it. But here's my little drawing I got so far. This is the idea. A few things have changed since this drawing. There's my general idea. Got a loop here for a hammer and my measuring tape, and then pockets for pens, markers, little snap blade, razor knife, that kind of stuff, and all gonna go in these pockets right here. And yeah, we're gonna be using deer hide for the main piece, and then a couple different kinds of leather for the loops and pockets, and the pads, shoulder pads, and back little divider thing. Yeah, let's get to it. I went ahead and got a couple of the big pieces cut out because I couldn't really do it on camera. All I did was use cardboard, get it to the shape I want and the size I want, and then I traced it onto the leather and cut it out. That's all it is. Here's the piece of the apron. I got my center line marked out for my pockets on the front. We're going to go ahead and get these attached, and then we'll start working on other pieces. Alright, I went ahead and got that stitching done. You guys can see what all it holds. Got my safety glasses on the loop over here. They can come off there easy, but not fall off. Got my two soapstone for marking on metal. That's what these two are. I got my Sharpie carpenter's pencil. Got a snap off little razor knife and an awl. That all fits in there. Pretty nice. Happy with how that turned out. Now we got to get to cutting the rest of the pieces out and getting the straps glued and everything. didn't have thick enough leather to do the straps for the apron, so I took this deer hide and cut it wide enough to where I'm going to glue it and then fold it over on itself and then sew this one edge, and that'll be the straps for it. I'm going to use some contact cement and get this thing glued up. Alright, and there's one of our straps. Once it's fully dry and everything, we'll go through and punch holes and stitch that edge. I got this one done. I'll get back to y'all when the other one's done. Now let's get to burnishing the edges of all these pieces. And then we'll wait for that glue to dry and keep this project moving. Alright y'all, I went ahead and, once this glue dried, I went ahead and punched all the holes and got them sewn up. Now we got to get them attached to the apron itself. So we're going to get that marked out and get it good to go. Alright, we got those attached on there. They're holding up good. Now let's get these little shoulder pads put in here. Before we Alright y'all, I'm finished with this project, other than we're going to throw my stamp on it real quick. You see the shoulder pads, the back little spacer to keep them crisscrossed the right way. We got the front pockets, we throw all our stuff in. So we got marker, carpenter's pencil, 2 different kinds of soapstone to write on metal. Got a little snap blade razor. An awl. And then we got space for an extra thing. And we got the loop right here to be able to hang my safety glasses off of. So that part's done. We got the loop here, which will be for clipping a tape measure on. So that's pretty good. We're gonna throw a stamp on this real quick and call it a project. There we go. Got that on there. I'll get y'all a complete shot of this. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know it's a little bit different, but if you enjoyed it, don't forget to drop a like down below. subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. Trying to get to 500 subscribers. Don't forget to share this video with a family member, friends, someone you think might like this project, or if you're trying to show someone a project you like, share this video with them. I appreciate all y'all for watching and supporting me in this channel. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.